Hello friends on YouTube, welcome to another quick video. Today I want to show you why I wouldn't recommend to use these hard tires that have no air inside. So this guy, I updated his scooter. I installed Xiaodash last year and he has already 2000 kilometers on it with settings were around 45 kilometers per hour max speed, and he has I think 90 charges, and he drove it this winter also, so daily driver, and he had a lot of flats, and that's why he changed to this hard plastic, or I don't know, hard rubber tires that have no air, so if he punctures them he can still use them. So, and I told him I don't know how about the vibration, but he has suspension. He says yeah, it's okay. He doesn't want to change the tires every 2 or 3 weeks because he's driving to work and everything and he needs them. He needs the scooter. Okay, and now he changed it and he told me that after he changed the tires, somehow the kilometers, the range dropped by 50%. And I thought maybe the battery is somehow better, but the battery looks okay. And I found out something, and I think this is the reason. So first of all, he told me also that it started to click somehow when he's accelerating, and the problem was that these screws that are holding the stator, they were loose and this was moving. So if you hear it clicking, make sure to unscrew this plastic and to secure the screws, so to really tighten them. And I tightened them really nice and now it is not moving. I used also Loctite, so this problem was fixed. And the other issue is, of course, I think that the friction here is not that high and this tire slips maybe, especially when you drive faster. And so the motor will spin but the tire will not spin, it will stay in position. So I will show you and demonstrate it. And I think this is the reason why he has a bad range. Probably when you drive slower it's not that big of a problem. And that's also the reason why the motor gets hot. So let me quickly show you. I'm now at 60% battery. Of course there's no load, but when I accelerate, and for this I set it up now to 0 start. Normally I wouldn't recommend 0 start, I would set it to 2 kilometers per hour. But now I set it to 0 start so you can see and I can demonstrate it easier. When I accelerate, look how the tire gets thicker, and then there is a gap in between the motor and the tire. Let us demonstrate it quickly. And now accelerate. And it's of course hitting here. Yeah, you saw it. Let me quickly one more time show you. Yeah. And I think when you drive this tire fast, of course it has a lot of mass too. It's heavier. And then the forces will push the whole tire outside and then it will probably slip a bit. And that's, yeah, there's getting friction between here and we cannot do anything. We can maybe glue it on or something. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't recommend these tires, so hard plastic. I would probably stick to the stock ones and always make sure that there is enough air inside. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Let's quickly check the max speed we can achieve. Yeah, it's 70. Okay.